Hi, what's up? In this video, I'll tell you how to send Blender to Roblox animation. And in my case, I have a rig and also I have a animation. If you don't have a rig, so I'll tell you later how to import rig in Blender. And now I'm gonna tell you how to send Blender to Roblox animation. You just need two things. First of all, you need one add-on for Blender and one add-on for Roblox Studio. I gave you this link in a description. So first of all, I'll give you can see this link Blender animation. Just click on open in Studio and save in Studio. So then second link, when you see this link, so he tell you this extension has not been reviewed yet. Maybe this is not approved by Blender official community. I don't know why, but you can try this. This is I think totally fine. So just click on download, and when you download it, so you receive like zip file. And just if you have a new version like Blender 5.4.5, and you can maybe if you have a 5.0, so you can just drag and drop in Blender. Okay, now you click on download, so you receive zip file. I already have it, but I'll click again. Okay, now I click to save. I already have it. When you downloaded it, just pick this file and go to your Blender and just drag and drop it. If you have a old Blender, so maybe drag and drop is not working, so I'll tell you how to enable like manually. Just click on edit, preferences and add-ons, and click this bottom arrow and install from disk. Just click here and select your add-on, and also after that check, make sure like is also enabled. Like if it is not tick, so click on tick. Now when you enable this, so he's look like something like this. Why he's look like this? Because I don't have a rig. If you have a rig, so it's look like a, for example, you can see Roblox animations. I go to my animation file, this one, and now check again. Oh, I have a lot of add-on here. I go here and Control S. Okay, this time, okay, this time I'm using right now Blender 5.0. This is latest version right now. When you see this video, maybe Blender 6.0 is officially released. So don't worry, just this process is same. If you have a rig, so it's your extension is look like this. For example, now I want to send this animation into Roblox Studio. So first of all, I go to my Roblox Studio, and by the way, also my this Roblox Studio is a little bit different because right now when I unfortunately I delete some feature, and after that I don't know how to enable again all. And by the way, I click to reset layout, and then still I'm not now how to add again everything. So just compromise. Now I click to Blender extension because I already have extension. So just I open this my extension, and by the way, this extension look like this one player rigging and etc. You can also connect your Blender with this. Okay, first of all, we need a character. I click to character and I import a block avatar. You can import your own avatar. Now I go back to my Blender file and I select rig. When I select rig, so this is little bit important. So make sure, look at this what I'm doing right now. Just pick your rig and click to bake as clipboard. Yeah, you can also bake as file. So right now I'm using you can, it's all depends on you. Right now I'm using bake to file. Bake to file. Now select path. I already have this, so it look like red. So I can like test and just bake to file. And maybe it's a, if you have a long animation, so it took a lot of time. Yeah, if you have a slow PC, so it took a lot of time. If you have a small animation, so look, I received this error. So you received this error. Do you know why? Because right now I'm using name of my rig // I don't know what he said at. I think just okay. Right now I'm using this is my rig name, and when I click to my rig, you can see my rig name is / 0.6 because its name is different. So I see this error, and then I can select this 6 one. Yeah, it maybe you can select anything. Yeah, you can change name here. Yeah, you can select 006 here. Okay, now after I select it, then I click to bake, and now I select test, and in this case I'm export to my document test and bake to file. Now he's showing me bake. Wait a bit, let me see. Okay, he's loading, not responding, don't worry. And I'm still waiting. Okay. Now I see, oh, here, but now I see 191 keyframes and 3.7 second. Cool. And then I open Roblox Studio and I click to import from file, because recently I use bake import from files. I click import from file, and by the way, this is my documents. I go to select this animation and click to open. Now I have this animation. Okay, sorry, this is second animation, and now I tell you how to upload this animation into Roblox Studio. You have two options. Just click on your animation tab and click these three dots and publish to Roblox. And second option is go to your add-on properties, save and upload, and you can also upload file here. This is totally same. And after that, when you click here, so you can add a title here and just save it. Also, that after that you receive a asset ID and you can use later. And now I tell you how to add a rig in Blender. So now this is very simple. If you check my description, so I gave you this link. When you open this, so you receive Roblox Toolbox. When you click this, this is 21 MB. So after downloading this, just drag and drop into Blender. I go to my Blender file and you can press N. So you can see this add-on. So now you can also log in and you can connect your Blender and Roblox, and you can also send mesh Blender to Roblox with using this add-on. Now I tell you how to add a rig in it. So just go to rigs and you can add R15. R15. Honestly, this is very basic rig, so don't need to add these rig. I'll give you this blend file. So this is very simple rig. You can also use this. And if you need this blend file, so you can check out my Discord server. I'll upload this blend file into my Discord server. And if you need my animations, so I'm also upload these animation IDs on my Discord server. So you can also check out there. Have a good day. Bye bye.